Top 10. Best Beach Cruisers. Anytime soon. From our point of view, their secure spot as crowd favorite is well deserved. Number 10. Kulana Men's 26-inch. Best Beach Cruisers of the Year. This Kulana model is a great budget choice for men looking for a reliable commute bike. It's easy to assemble and most of the bike foundation and frame is perfectly balanced and sturdy. The cruiser bike reviews for this model are positive. Easy to assemble. Flawless paint service and metal work. Sturdy foundation and frame. Number 9. Schwinn Ladies Perla 7-Speed. Just as its pretty name suggests, this Schwinn Ladies model will uplift your mood instantly. Designed for extra comfortable rides through soft and mostly flat environment, this bike is so easy to use that the ride will feel almost effortless. Comfortable wide seat and handles. 4 pastel color options to choose from. Quick and easy to use brake system. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Beach Cruisers or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 8. Critical Cycles Chatham Men's. The beach cruiser bike is immediately remarkable through the retro design and the impressive color options. Although it's available in multiple colors combinations to choose from, you can find the same retro style and allure in any of the models you opt for. Comfortable to use seat. Retro looks and classy vibes. 3 speed options to choose from. Number 7. Schwinn Destiny 24-inch. Destiny doesn't sacrifice quality for affordability. It is highly popular across all beach cruiser reviews, and stands out immediately as a comfortable choice for casual rides. The pink color can be extended by opting for the bike bell. Comfortable seating and ride. Extras available in the same pink hue. Perfect for casual rides through town. Number 6. 26 inches Huffy No Lusso Women's. Color options like some of the other entries in our top of the best beach cruisers of the year, its looks are all you could wish for. The combination of glossy pastel blue and warm beige, and brown details makes this cruiser look like something straight out of a Wes Anderson movie. Comfortable seating. Embroidered comfy saddle. Easy to equip rear rack for secure storage. Number 5. Firmstrong Urban Man. The year to be designed for men. This Firmstrong Urban model is all you can wish for if you need a casual commute bike. It's designed with comfort in mind and with multiple speed options to help you be prepared for any challenges that might come your way. Comfortable seating and tires. Easy to use brakes. Multiple color options and speeds options. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Beach Cruisers or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. Margaritaville Coast is Clear Women's. That you can find. Its popularity speaks for itself, considering that although everyone seems to sport one of these, most of the time you try to buy one the model can be out of stock. Inspired by the iconic Margaritaville Island Paradise. White wall tires and coastal themed stickers. Easy to use brakes. Extra comfortable saddle and grips. Number 3. Firmstrong Urban Lady. Ideal for urban settings, just as the name implies, this Firmstrong bike packs the most value for its price. Comfort is a priority in this model's design, and thus the cruiser is equipped with an extra wide cushioned seat with dual springs, an optional rear rack for baskets and panniers. Easy to use coaster brake system. Pretty colors and matching fenders. Number 2. Sixthreezero Around the Block Women's. From cult brand Sixthreezero, this bike seems designed for comfort even more than the previous choice in our top of the best beach cruisers currently on the market. The wheels are just as cushioned and comfortable, but slightly wider, rear rack for baskets and panniers. Will perfectly fit women and adults of most heights. Front handbrake and rear coaster brake. Number 1. Sixthreezero EVRYjourney Women's Hybrid, Showstopper. Not only is the bike quite the looker, with its gorgeous pastel or intense color options to choose from, but it comes with plenty of other customizable aspects designed to help you achieve the exact functionality you need. Gorgeous and varied color options. Rear rack for baskets and panniers. Will perfectly fit most adults. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Beach Cruisers or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.